Let's take a look at the MC-2A air compressor. I didn't run this at all last year. I had some internal issues and was quite sick. So I tried to fire this old girl back up yesterday. It wouldn't run. It is a single cylinder Deutz diesel engine. Let's see if we can view down in there. You can see that ground strap is loose. Well, the fuel pump belongs on those two oval holes right there. And what we can do, let me get around there. What we can do, I'm just moving a spare air tank. So what we can do when we fire this thing up is turn the power switch to the on position, and if it's cold we have a momentary switch for the glow plug. And if you haven't run it in a while, to help to get it to run is the bypass button. So we switch the power on, hit the glow plug momentary switch for 10-15 seconds. I don't have a battery in this, by the way. And then we hit the start button. Now the instructions on the underside of the lid say to push the bypass button too. The bypass button energizes the fuel pump so that fuel pressure can be maintained up until the engine's fuel pump can take over. Then you just let it go. It's like it's essentially a primer. So give me a second. I'll be right back. We're going to go back to the mess and we'll take a look at the fuel pump. Here's the fuel pump. I've cleaned this mounting ear with the wire wheel on my bench grinder. You can see it says 12 volts. I have quite the elaborate setup here to run it. I've already got it running again. This is just an off-the-shelf Facet electric fuel pump. I've already found a replacement. But after not having been run, it was asleep to the point of almost being dead. So what I'm going to do, maybe we'll be able to see this. Other way. Okay, so please forgive me for my wires. They're not all military spec. So positive goes to red. Yep, we can see that. And then negative. I hope we don't have a fireworks show again. Oh, that's too short. Whoa, fireworks. That's what I was trying to avoid. Anyway, so negative to the ground, and then my handy dandy red wire will go to negative on the battery, and maybe this thing will ug-a-dug. So it works. I'm just wondering if I want to go to all the trouble to put it back in, to have it be finicky and stop working again. Pretty sure that after I clean the ground strap, it'll be okay. But a new pump is only 80 bucks, and it's gasoline, diesel, avgas rated, so yeah, I'll keep this as a spare and I'll just order a new one. And then the MC-2A will be back up and running. After I get it in, after I get the fuel pump, the new one here, I'll make a video putting it back in. And fun. Alright, there it is. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great Saturday. Later.